Today I'm going to show you how you can hide external armoured cables on painted or rendered walls. Now, as electricians, most of our work remains hidden, and the reason for this is hidden cables look better. Today I'm installing an EV charging point, and as you can see I have an EV Ultra cable coming through the wall at high level to feed the charger. Aesthetically, as it is, this isn't very pleasing against this white wall with white doors. So what I'm going to do today is install the D-line 50x25 trunking. Now this trunking comes in a white finish, which I'll be using today. It also comes in grey, magnolia or black. Now all these colours will suit different installation applications. I'm also going to be using the D-line EV cable fixings. Now these fixings have a wrap and lock design, which will make this installation quick and easy and 18th edition compliant. It really is that quick to install. Without a doubt, this is a far better finish than leaving the armoured cable exposed and clipped to the wall.